In this video, I'm going to show you how to overgrow big plants in Grow a Garden. And I'm talking plants like this one over here, the dragon fruit here on my garden, as well as the golden ones, and you can also get rainbows that are bigger than this as well. And yeah, let me just show you really quickly how you can get this yourself. So first, what you have to do is get yourself some sprinklers. So to be able to do this, you want to walk to the gear shop up here, which is this green stand over here. And once you walk up, I'm going to show you what to actually do. So you want to come over here, talk to Alois, which has the gear shop, and then you want to get yourself these sprinklers. You want to get the basic, the advanced, the godly, as well as the master sprinkler. Now you can get the lightning rod as well, but this is not a necessity. So just get as many of these as possible, and then once you get these, let me actually buy this as well. So once you actually get these, of course, you're going to have to get a bit lucky because these are quite rare, especially the master sprinkler, and you're going to have quite some money to actually buy this because it costs $10 million to get the master sprinkler, and these aren't particularly cheap either over here. So once you have these, go to your garden, and then you should just equip them. So as you can see in my inventory, I have a bunch of different sprinklers. There we go. I even have the master sprinkler. I have one of them. I managed to get it. Now, once you actually have those sprinklers, you want to make sure you place all of them at the same time, so in a matter of a few seconds, inside the same area. So like, for example, if I wanted to have like a lot of these overgrown dragon fruits, I'd just basically walk over here, and then I'd place like all the, I think there's 5 of them, all the sprinklers in one place, and then just stay here and wait for the plants to grow. Now, before you do this, make sure you actually collect all the plants so new ones can grow, because of course if a plant has grown already and you can already harvest it, it's going to be impossible for you to actually be able to grow and overgrow it. So make sure you collect all of them, and then after you've done it, make sure you are also ready to harvest them right away. So that's pretty much that. That's how we get overgrown plants. Let me see if there's any other ones I can show you. I know I had a mushroom. There we go. There it is. This one has also been grown using this method. It's a huge mushroom. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.